This is Bart, and Bart is a messy guy. But we like organizing so much that we asked him to organize all his stuff. For 2 weeks, Bart will lock himself in his house and try to get some order in the chaos.
Are you still filming it?
Yeah.
Because I think it's nice to get like all the time that I drop something. Oh! Oh. Are you happy now, Jason? Oh, it's really hard. Organize shit out of it. Can't say what about all this other stuff we have? Huh? Huh? Oh. Ow. Sorry. Ow. Oh. 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 Ow. 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 Oh. Here, easily. Perfect. Oh. This, we're doing it live. On the bathtub. Oh! 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 This is my girlfriend's stuff. She doesn't want to be part of my organizing. I'm just gonna put this here. You might want to cut that out. Got lots of blue balls. I'll be home for Christmas. Rawhide. Alright, now my corridor is organized. Look at that.
It's actually pretty organized.
Okay, that's pretty good. Well, I'm very bad at organizing things. So.
Join us in our quest to get organized and get creative. Use the hashtag #ArtOfOrganizing and stay tuned on Bynder.com/art.
Does it look cool? Sort of. Does look like a lot of stuff.